Go to Reports menu. Select M2M, Returns on Investment. Select Required Report Date. Select the investment type, equity. Click on Only Summary. Click on With Current Valuation. Select Date-wise Closing Stock. Select Unrealized ROI. Click on OK. You will get your date as per as your run date, report date. Go to Reports menu, select M2M Returns on Investment and select Required Report Date. Select the investment type, F&O. Click on Current Valuation. Click on Data-wise Closing Stock. Click on Unrealized ROI. Click on Audit Report. Click OK. You will get your date as per your run date, report date. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.